Hello everyone. It's January 28th, 2021. As you can see behind me, we've got the dam and rock buildup around the spillway, the drain area. We've actually got some water in the pond that's maintaining, so that's a positive thing. As you can see towards the north end, as we've dug it out a little bit, there's more water down at that end. For the simple fact that now we're starting to hold some water, getting the water table back up. We're expecting some more rain coming in here in the next few days. Next week they're talking about a heavier rainstorm, could accumulate a couple inches of rain. So we might be seeing this full here before we know it. This is great news. Glad to see this. Talk to you later. Hello everyone. It's February 1st, 2021. Here we are back on the project. We started this in October, and here at this date, now we've had some rain. We've got water. It's maintaining the repair that was done on the spillway. There's no seepage on that end so far. We've got close to the bank line I was trying to achieve. This is really great news. Haven't seen this pond with this much water in it for around 26 months. So to see this water in here and that we're captured, that's just fantastic. As you can see towards the north end where we've built all that up, it's maintaining and not flooding that area, which is really great news. So looks like we could actually go up about another 1.5 to 2 foot up, and we'll be at its maximum level. So that's great news. Signing out. This is James. Catch up on you later. Hello everyone. It's February 19th, 2021. As you can take a look over it, we've had some good snow. We probably got about 6 inches out here. The pond is completely frozen over. The actual drift on the pond drifted up over the dam, and on the other side of the dam it's a big drift. It's about 20 degrees right now. It's going to be warmer. It's supposed to warm up to 34. As you can see, we've still got a good on the pond. You can see how it's drifted up over the dock, which is a floating dock. There's been creatures out across it already, walking across the pond. You don't know if you can see that or not with the tracks. The way the glare is on the camera, I can't tell. Looks like it's almost a small animal by the distance of the legs. Pond already looks like it's thawed a little bit down there at the north end. That's where the sun hits it at the most. Well, anyway, supposed to get into some 50-60 degree weather, so I'll be curious to see what this snow does to bring up the water level. Talk to you later.